Well, we got a little drain cleaner to look at today from the company Garvee. Let's take a look at this, see what comes included, and we'll take it in the backyard. And I've got a drain that's kind of slowly draining, and we'll see how it does. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This company Garvee reached out and asked me if I'd be willing to take a look at this little drain cleaner for them and make a quick unboxing and review video. So here it is. Let's jump right into it. Now it comes with a little owner's manual and safety instructions, and I would recommend that you do at least flip through here and take a look at what you need to do to get set up to avoid any injury or anything like that. And it also says to make sure that this is the right tool for the job. Now this is a little bit smaller drain cleaner when it comes to drain snake cables and drum augers and whatnot. This has got a 5/16 cable. This is going to be good for 3/4 inch up to 3-inch lines. This is perfect for household clogs, anything under a kitchen or bathroom sink, or even a shower or tub drain. It specifically says that this size of machine is not intended to clear tree roots or large tree root intrusions. Some light roots, of course, will be fine. Just keep in mind, make sure you have the right drain cable machine or drain cleaner for the job. Now, they do include this pair of leather gloves. It also comes with this stubby screwdriver so that we can change the attachments that are on the cable. These are all of the different cutters and attachments that are included. Lots of different options depending on what you're doing. And then as far as operation, let me turn this around. Now this machine is set up with the drill attachment here on the back, and that's just a standard drill, and so you're going to operate that the same. You've got a trigger, you've got forward and reverse, and then you've got a little lock here as well, so if you press the trigger and hold that down, that's going to stay on. Now you can see the drill cord is plugged into this box right here, which is a little foot activated air switch. You hear that click? That is the little air switch, and so this allows you to turn the machine on or off with your foot or be somewhat hands-free so you can be working on the cable. All right, so I'm going to plug it in here, and I've got the trigger pressed down, and now I'm just going to hit the foot switch here. And there you can see it works fine. Now you have to take the trigger off in order to put it into reverse. And you do have a reverse function. Now, just a quick note on the reverse function. Of course, it's got reverse, but you really are not going to want to run this machine in reverse, at least not for more than a moment. For example, if you get stuck on something and you need to back this off just a hair, you can run it in reverse, but a manual feed machine like this is not something that you're going to be running in reverse. So let's change that back to forward. So as far as operating this, of course, you're going to select the appropriate attachment or fitting here. All right, I'm going to use this one right here. It's a little coiled bulb, and it's got a little swivel adapter on there too, which is pretty convenient. And I'll show you how we put this on. Now, normally I would be wearing gloves if this was a drain cleaner that's been used, but this one is new. It hasn't been used yet. But I'm just going to take off this screw or back it off and put this in. And we want to make this nice and snug. Now I'm going to take this in the backyard and get this set up on a really small yard drain. I think we've got a little bit of roots growing in there. It's really minor. This is not a big tree root type of situation, maybe just some plant roots. And I think this one might do the trick. It's just kind of been slow draining when we get a heavy rain. So let's take this in the back and I'll get it set up and we'll see how it does. You see, we've got some standing water and a few roots already in this drain that I can see. So let's see if we can clear some of that out with this machine. So we're just going to position this. We're about 2 feet away from the opening, and I'm going to see if we can get this to go down that right direction. There's a T right here. There we go. We'll keep going until we feel some resistance. Okay, that might be our clog right there. I'm going to back this in a little bit, and now I'm going to tighten that thumb screw. Now I'm going to step on that switch and see if we can make this work. I'm going to undo the thumb screw and see if we can push this a little bit more. All right, well, I ended up running the Garvee drain cleaner back and forth in this yard drain several times and eventually got to the main clog here. You can see it was just several roots. I just ended up having to use this little side cutter bit. That side cutter was much better for cutting the roots and getting that drain clear. Now, once you're done, just pull the cable out completely, and I just washed it off with a hose. After rinsing this cable, you can go ahead and store it in the drum and drain out any excess water, and then it also says you should oil the cable as well to prevent that from rusting and prevent any unpleasant odors. Again, I really pushed this thing and put it to the test, but it definitely worked great, got our drain cleared, and very impressed with how this machine worked. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up your very own drain cleaner from Garvee as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.